Redefining metal fabrication, LX-K26 Fiber Laser, built for medium and large-size tube cutting. It can cut round and square tubes up to 250 mm, equipped with a semi-automatic row-type loading system, handling up to 5 tubes at a time. Maximum single-tube load capacity, 300 kg. Its stable, precision-engineered structure ensures vibration-free, high-speed tube cutting. With a high-precision chuck system, it supports clamping of various tube profiles, integrated with weld seam recognition, slag-free cutting, and other functions. It is further enhanced with the latest line scan reference centering technology, solving accuracy issues caused by slight tube deformation and greatly improving detection efficiency. It also supports profile scanning for a wide range of tube types, including rectangular tubes, round tubes, and structural sections. Actual test results show that cutting deviation can be controlled within 0.2 millimeters, making it suitable for most welded tube cutting applications. Follow-up unloading system ensures effective support and safe unloading, paired with Longxin Zhaoxi, your 24/7 intelligent assistant, providing professional technical support. This model is widely used in heavy industries such as steel structures, special vehicles, oil pipelines, construction, machinery, transmission towers, shipbuilding, and bridge engineering. Longxin K26 heavy-duty tube laser cutting machine, built to shape the future of metal fabrication.